Everybody. Today we are going to learn about the basics of civil engineering course, and this is going to be the first part of it. And my name is Priyanshu Yadav. So let's begin this. So first of all, we have to know about what are the basics of civil engineering, means instruction. तो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग एक ब्रांच इंजीनियरिंग की जो मेनली प्रोवाइड करती है सेफ एंड कंफर्टेबल लाइफ फॉर द पीपल. फॉर एग्जांपल जो हाउसिंग होती है वो प्राइमरी नीड होती है मैनकाइंड की, और सफिशिएंट सप्लाई ऑफ इरिगेशन और बिल्डिंग्स, रोड, ब्रिजेस एक्सेट्रा, इन सारी चीज़ों के बिना जो लाइफ है वो इम्पॉसिबल हो जाती है. तो इन काफ़ी मेजर फैक्टर्स के ऊपर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वर्क करती है और फोकस रखती है. And now we are going to discuss about the branches and scopes of civil engineering. So any discipline of civil engineering is a vast field with various specialization. The major specialization of civil engineering are structural engineering, geothermal engineering, transportation engineering, irrigation engineering, engineering, and hydraulic engineering. So what are the roles of civil engineer? So civil engineer incorporates activities such as construction of building, dams, road, railways, etc. And there are various forms of civil engineering. So first of all is the investigation. The first function of a civil engineering is to collect the necessary data that is required before planning a project. For example, going to the construction site and knowing about what are the resources which are going to be used and how the other factors are going to play a role in this thing. And the other is survey. Objectives of surveying is to prepare maps and plans to locate various structures of a project on the surface of Earth. Planning from result obtained from investigation and surveying. A civil engineering should prepare the necessary drawing of the project with respect to capacity, size, and location of its various components. On the basis of this drawing, a pre-estimate should be worked out. Otherwise, design, the safe dimension of the components required are worked out. With this dimension, a detailed estimate is also calculated. Execution. This deals with the preparation of schedules for construction activities, collecting of tenders, finalization of contracts, and supervision of construction. Research and development. To achieve economy and to improve the efficiency to meet present and future needs. Units of measurement. So previously we have discussed about what are the importance of civil engineering and civil engineers. Now we are going to start our first topic, which is units of measurements. For example, we have clearly studied that construction is a very core of civil engineering, and for making good buildings, roads, calculation and measurement should be very good. So first thing we have to learn about is units of measurement, which most of you have already learned in 11th and 12th class if you belongs to science stream. A unit can be described as an internationally accepted standard for measuring quantities. The measurement is instructed of a numeric quantity along with a specific unit. So unit of measurement is something which is internationally accepted by all, which means from country to country it doesn't differ. So example, if a engineer from India goes to US and works there, then he doesn't have to every time change their, you know, readings and calculation according to the system which was used in USA. So that is not the thing. Everything is internationally accepted, and that was a standard, which is known as a standard unit, which we will later on learn in this video. Units of measurements, they are basically four most important things. The first is FPS, which means foot, pound, and second. CGS, centimeter, gram, and second. MKS, meter, kilogram, and second. And SI, internationally accepted system of units are known as SI units. As you can already see on your screens, this foot is also a measurement which is used to measure the length of something. So same as centimeter and meter, and all these things are interconvertible. So this is the first table which it represents base of SI units. So basically there are seven base units, by combination of which other units are made. For example, speed. Speed is distance upon time. So what is distance? Distance means length. So length upon time. So by combination of length and time, these two base units, we can create other units, which was the time, and it is also known as derived units. So first of all, we have to look at the seven basic units. Length can Length name is meter, symbol is m, mass kilogram, kg, time, second, s, electric current, ampere, A, thermodynamic temperature, Kelvin, K, luminous intensity, candela, CD, and amount of substance, mole, and symbol, MOL. So these are the basic preview of the basics of civil engineering. And afterwards, we are going to make a very good detailed course on each and every aspect of civil engineering, ris- which also includes about different type of bricks, concretes, what are the components, how you can make better things, and how the stretch and structures work, why we use steel rods in the making of our buildings and construction, and all those things which you may have questioned in your life when you were a small kid, but you didn't know the answer because, basically no one is there to answer you and fulfill your desire. So we are going to, this is the first video, and afterwards we are going to make very good videos about all these things in a very detailed, uh, you can say, in a detailed way. So thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.